Well, good morning and welcome to our video diary from Furnace Mill fishery in just outside Bewdley in Worcestershire. We're fishing in the Furnace port and I've just literally sat down and hooked into a ghost carp actually. Yeah.
That's what I saw.
Right close,
That's it.
about a foot from the edge. It caught me by surprise and I hadn't even had a chance to sit down.
Obviously the secret of the attraction is coffee.
Right.
That's it. That's it. That's the head I saw.
Yeah, look at that.
Wow. You have to have a picture as well.
Ghost carp from Furnace port.
Right. Can you pose again? And I'll take a picture.